So when it comes to installing the battery on your clock purse, here in the United States, we have our time changes twice a year. And so one of the things that you'll need to do is either change the time or install the battery, remove the battery, or replace the battery. So I've designed this back panel on the front pocket of the clock purse with a little bit of Velcro to hold it closed, and that way you can slip your hand inside of the pocket and make those adjustments either with the battery or the time. So on the clock purses, all you have to do is here's the pocket, here's the split pocket, and the first time you do this, you may want to put like a little flashlight in there so that you can see what the back of the clock looks like. But all you have to do is slip your hand inside of that pocket. Now I've removed the Velcro, so there's a little Velcro closing back here. You can see that the time has stopped. The battery gets inserted with the positive going up and the negative going down. And then you just pop that back into the slot and the time has started again. Now right above where you install the battery is where you would change your time. And so it's really easy to change the time, and then you would go ahead and close up. So I'm reattaching my Velcro in the back, and that kind of holds that closed. However, sometimes I've noticed that if I'm moving around a lot in my clock purse, the time can change by a couple of minutes, and all I do is I just go in there and then I move the time. However, if you find that it's a little bit too sensitive for you, just put a little piece of Teflon tape on the back of that the dial that changes the time, and then you don't have to worry about changing it. If you're in the United States, you would do it twice a year. So that's how you do it. They're all the same. All of the clock purses have the same clock installed in them. The back, I don't know if you can hear the Velcro. I'm opening up the back of the Velcro. Right now I'm taking, the battery is out, the time is stopped, and then I would just put it back in. Now what I like to do is, this is my clock purse back here, and what I like to do is if I'm not using my purse, I'll take the battery out and then I'll just slide it in the pocket until the way that it's supposed to go back into the purse. You don't want the battery to leak or anything like that. That's why it's a good idea to not leave it in there when you're not utilizing it. If it's going to be a couple weeks, you might want to just take the battery out and then reinstall it. You definitely don't want something to leak inside of your purse. But like I said, once you kind of get used to where the battery needs to go, it's pretty easy to install it. I did make the closure with a little bit of Velcro just to hold it, closed. And that's another thing that you need to get a little bit used to is where that Velcro is. So I'm going to go ahead and set the time there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the Velcro back in. So if you're buying a clock purse and you live close enough to where I can either meet you or deliver it, or if you want to pick it up at one of my vendor events, I will have the battery installed for you. But if you want a clock purse and you want it shipped, I will not be able to ship the battery just because of the laws for shipping. So anyway, that's how you do your battery. It's really easy to do, and I wanted to show you how to do it. Thanks for watching.